Okay, here's the finished battery charger using just a light bulb and a base and a diode, half-wave rectification. Remember, this is quite dangerous. I do not recommend building this, but it is a fun little project, a good little battery tender. Currently have it charging this little tractor battery here, and the light looks like it's pretty bright, but it's actually fairly dim. It's only putting about, I don't know, 0.2 of an amp through at that 12 volts, so it's not a, as you can see, 0.2 amps. So at 12 volts, that's not very much, but it is good to keep a battery topped off. It's not something I would recommend just leaving, because eventually the battery will get fully charged and begin to very slowly boil over, but the likelihood of that is pretty low unless you had a problem with the diode or something along that lines. And if it ever had an overcurrent situation, the bulb would more than likely blow. But it's a fun little, simple little project. And since it's only half wave, you're basically pulsing the battery at the voltage at 60 times a second, because you're taking out the negative side of the AC. And you can increase the current that it draws by adding some good capacitors. That's a 1000 microfarad 200 volt capacitor. You can add several of them and that'll up it. You can also add a timing circuit to use, and I don't know where I put it, but a nice relay. Oh, here it is. You can put in a relay and add a timing circuit and some large SCRs such as this to actually pulse the battery at an adjustable rate and an adjustable current depending on the amount of capacitors that you put into the circuit. And those actually work fairly well. I've built several of them, take them apart to try to make them better, try to make them faster. But they seem to bring batteries back quite well, along with the additives that you can put in. But yeah, the additives are a whole nother discussion as far as bringing batteries back. There's only a percentage of the batteries that go bad can actually be brought back to usable life, but more to come on that. Thanks for watching.